Hello, guess what? We are wearing comfortable clothing today, which means we are having a fun video, which is a tea video. I wish I had tea to spill, but this company reached out to me called Sips By, and I was genuinely intrigued by this, and I was like, I'm genuinely intrigued, so that means you guys might be genuinely intrigued, so let's just try it out together. It is a tea company. They basically send you a subscription service of different teas in a month, and I personally refuse to get addicted to coffee. Like, I genuinely drink tea every single morning, but I drink the same kind of tea every single morning, and it's getting old. What they do is give you a test online based on your taste preferences, okay? So you're looking for like a fruity tea, minty tea. Are you trying to not have caffeine? Do you want caffeine? It's all like, data that they're collecting, so that way they can customize a tea for you. So there's actually 4 different teas they send to you, and basically it's supposed to make up to 15 cups of teas, and hopefully you like it. And if you keep liking it, then you just keep trying new things with the subscription service, so you know what you really want. This box is $15 a month. I have a $5 off coupon code because we love a good deal. Use it if you want, don't use it if you want. Let's just figure out if we even like the subscription box, because I haven't opened it. I don't know if I'll even like any of the flavors, so I thought it'd be fun to do together, okay? So if you guys are interested in watching, keep on watching. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute, very small, simple. Let's open her up, okay? Let's do this. Hello? Beautiful. Okay, so this is actually the September tea box. So, and it even, they tell you what kind, so let's put that down for a minute. So, I've watched other people's videos. From what I understand, they give you this right here, and it's a satchel, and it's so if there's any type of loose tea, you can actually pour it into this bag, and then you can put it into your actual water. I thought that was very helpful, because when you have loose tea, it's kind of hard sometimes to deal with, and I genuinely just appreciated this because I wouldn't expect a subscription service to even include this if I'm being genuine. So thank you. Extra touches really do mean a lot. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. We have three of these blue ones, and this is lemon Yurpon. I'm just not gonna try to butcher it, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, so that way you guys can actually say the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is less caffeine. I kind of preferred the less caffeine just because I'm not trying to get addicted to coffee, and it's essentially the same thing in my head: caffeine, coffee, soda. So I asked for less caffeine. And this one is locally grown lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemongrass, and Yurpon. I don't know what that is, but can't really smell anything. So lemon tea. I'm actually interested in this. I have always gone towards more sour flavors in life. I eat lemons and limes with salt by itself. That's me. Sorry. Let's try out the other teas, or let's see what else we got. I'm excited about this because this is called Mystical Chai. Your girl drinks chai tea lattes literally daily. It's an issue. Okay, this actually has high caffeine, so this is something I'm definitely going to use when I go to work in the morning, because you gotta be careful. But this has cardamom, clove, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, pepper. You can add a splash of milk. I'm very excited about this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just open the donut so I can smell it. I'm excited. I like this because it looks like it's like a local, a very small tea company, because it has their Gmail. I don't know, sometimes it feels like there's a little more quality when you get to try new things like that. I think I'm gonna take that to work tomorrow morning and try that. So let's, also, wait, I just realized they have my name on here. It says made for Lippy. How sweet. Okay, very kind. Let's see, what else do we have here? Fruit punch. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. You can put it, okay, I drink tea hot. I don't think of other ways of drinking it. When it gets cold, I'm like, oh, it's cold tea. They said you can add things to make it a slushy, and it says add sugar or honey for sweetness. This seems like a really fun way to make cold tea, if you have guests over. I want to open this one up and smell it, because this one, I think, from what they're saying, is it would taste better cold. So I might save this one for when I have guests over and be like, can I make some tea and like add some honey? Oh my, wait, what does this smell like? It smells like dried fruit, basically. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one, to be honest, but I think it's worth a try. So this would be fun, like if I had a lot of guests over. Last one, maple syrup oolong, sweet buttery pancakes. By the way, that last one was low caffeine and this one is low caffeine as well. Oh, and what's really nice is that since these are so local, you can get like 15% off these actual, like this company. Like if you go and order from them, you just put in Sips By and then you get 15% off that way. So if you genuinely like a tea, you can just buy it and get a discount on it. Apple oolong tea, candied papaya, raisins, buckwheat seeds, roasted chicory root, maple sugar, stevia extract, and flavoring. I'll be honest, like all these are so different and I'm very excited to try them because it's different. Like it's not something I would typically pick out in the store, but like I'm not mad at it either. I always have had like a adventurous palate. Like it's always really fun to me to try new things, which is why on my channel you see me trying different foods. So I'm like honestly pleasantly surprised by all this. Straight up smells like butter. Like the good kind. Huh. Guess who's not mad at all this? It's me. I have some hot water right here. Pause. I'm gonna try the maple syrup one. So it's a loose leaf. So I'm gonna get one of these bags and we're gonna pour it in here. Does it tell you how much to pour? Probably, but are we just gonna pretend like we know what we're doing? Absolutely. So I have it in the bag, pull it like this, and then I have a aesthetically pleasing mug right here. How exciting. Okay. Oh, it even tells you how long to wait, so it's 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let's wait 4 to 5 minutes and then I'll come back to you and we can try this tea. I'm very excited. Okay, hold on. I don't know, I'm kind of excited about this because I look at those little things every single day to make you like excited. It's just kind of exhausting to like, okay, sit down at work, do a routine, but I feel like having like the little special thing of like just trying a new tea flavor in the mornings kind of make me happy. This is me personally, so I feel like this is like a little fun subscription service to have. I know it's not the traditional like makeup one that we see a lot on YouTube. Not even like a food one where you like eat the snacks, but this is just tea, but like this kind of brightened up my day. I'm having a tough day and this is exciting. So, okay, let's try it. I'm so excited. This straight up tastes like pancakes in tea form. This is fun. I like this. This honestly tastes like syrup, buttery syrup. I don't even know how to explain it like in a tea form. So obviously it's like not as strong as like eating a straight up pancake, but like you get the aroma, you get that smell. It's really fun. This was a fun tea that I would never have tried before and I'm really glad I did. So worth it. Would recommend this tea. Really, I would try all these teas on camera for you, but at the same time, I kind of want to leave it a surprise when I go to work because I feel like it's going to be something like exciting and fun to look forward to. This is like a little fun subscription service. Let me know if you liked it in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see another unboxing with it. I think it'd be fun just to kind of include these unboxings like at the end of videos sometimes. Be like, this is what I got this month. And yeah, that's basically about it. Don't forget, I have a coupon code if you want to use it. I don't get benefited at all if you use this coupon code, so use it if you want, don't if you want, but I'm just trying to help you out, okay? So that's about it. I will talk to you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.